Hello students, welcome to BioDigest. In this particular video, we will discuss about cell cycle. What is cell cycle? What is the definition? Series of events that takes place in a cell as the cell grows and divides. What is the meaning of this? That means when the cell is growing and when it is going to divide, some changes will be taking place within a cell. That changes is what is called as cell cycle. So we will see what are the different stages. So this is G1 stage. That means first growth phase. Okay, G1 is first growth phase. What all changes are taking place during G1 phase? So here in G1 phase, RNA and proteins will be synthesized. That means RNA and proteins are produced. Then what is the next? Mitochondria and chloroplast will divide. So you know that chloroplast is present only in the case of a plant cell. So mitochondria and chloroplast, it will divide. So if it is a plant cell, you can see that chloroplast will be dividing. So that is actually taking place during the first growth phase, otherwise known as G1 phase. Now what is this S representing? S is referring to the synthesis phase. So the name itself is giving some idea. Something is being synthesized. What is that being synthesized? So here DNA is getting synthesized. DNA is synthesized. That is why it is known as synthesis phase. Then chromosomes will get duplicated. All these are the changes that is taking place during synthesis phase, otherwise represented as the S phase. Okay, this is G1 phase. Now you can see one more written, that is G2 phase. What is G2 phase? It is actually the second growth phase. Okay, so second growth phase is represented as G2. What is actually taking place during this time within the cell? Here already you can see RNA and proteins are synthesized. So in second growth phase, what will happen? More RNA and proteins will be synthesized. Okay. Now I told you G1, S and G2 and all. So what are all these? You know that these changes are taking place within the cell at this particular time. So what are all these actually? All these are actually the phases of interphase. So I am writing it here. Okay. So these are the phases of what? These are the phases of interphase. In the previous video, you have studied about mitosis. I told you that mitosis is completed in two steps. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. So during karyokinesis, we have seen that it is actually taking place in different steps. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. You can remember like PMAT. Please do watch my previous video so that you will get a clear idea about mitosis. So just before the cell enter into prophase stage, the cell will undergo a period of rest that will actually vary from one organism to another. That resting period is actually what is called as interphase. So interphase itself is divided into 3 phases. Which are the phases of interphase? G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. After G2 phase, what is actually happening? The cell will enter into karyokinesis process. Okay, that means I am not writing the full name. Prophase will be there, metaphase will be there, anaphase will be there, telophase will be there. Okay, I am writing only that first letter. What is all this? This is actually referred to as karyokinesis. Followed by this comes what? Followed by this comes cytokinesis. That means the division of cytoplasm. Okay. So this is what is known as cell cycle. So the series of events that takes place in a cell as the cell grows and divides is what is called as cell cycle. So the interphase, that is the resting period of the cell, is again divided into 3 phases. G1, that is first growth phase, S, that is synthesis phase, and G2, that is second growth phase. So during all these phases, some changes are taking place within the cell. The cell is preparing for division. Okay, so that is the phases of interphase. Hope the topic is clear to everyone. Let us recall. What is a cell cycle? A cell cycle is a series of events that takes place in a cell as it grows and divides. A cell spends most of its time in what is called interphase or resting phase, during which they prepare for the next cell division and grow to the same size as their mother cell. The interphase itself has 3 phases: first growth phase, synthesis phase and second growth phase. Please do subscribe Bio Digest, like and share. Thank you.